हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 12 एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर, मेरी ईमेल आईडी आपके स्क्रीन पर दी गई है। और स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में स्टार्ट करने से पहले एरिया कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द प्लेन फिगर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन इन द गिवन फिगर। PQ is 24, PR 7 and O is the center of the circle using pi 22/7. It can be observed that RQ is the diameter of the circle, therefore the RPQ will be 90 degree. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, get RQ is equal to 25. Radius of the circle is 25.2. Since RQ is the diameter of the circle, divided the circle into two equal parts. Area of semicircle RPQOR 1 by 2 pi r square. वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड गेट 6875.28 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height PQ into PR. 1 by 2, 24 into 7, that is 84 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle RPQOR minus area of triangle PQR. So 6875.28 minus 84, that is a 4523 upon 28 centimeter square. Now student, question number 2, find the area of the shaded region. The given figure of radii of the two concentric circle with center O and 7 centimeter 4 centimeter respectively. Angle AOC 40 degree. Now students, radius of inner circle 7 centimeter, outer 14. Area of shaded region, area of sector OAFC minus area of sector OBED. Here is the 40 upon 360 plus pi r square 14, that is equal to 154 upon 3. So students, question number 3, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. ABCD is square, side 14 centimeter. APD and BPC are the semicircle using pi equal to 2/7. Area of semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square, 1 by 2 into 22/7 into 7 square, that is 77 centimeter square. Area of square ABCD is equal to side का square 14 square 196. Area of shaded region equal to area of square ABCD minus area of semicircle APD minus area of semicircle BPC. 196 minus 77 minus 77, that is 196 minus 154, 42 centimeter square. Now students, question number 4, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where the circular arc of the radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of the equilateral triangle OAB of the side 12 centimeter as the center using pi 22/7. Sector की area OCDE 60 pi r square upon 360, that is a 132/7 centimeter square. Area of OAB is equal to root 3 upon 4 12 square, that is a 36 root 3 centimeter square. Area of the circle pi r square 792/7 centimeter square. Area of shaded region equal to area of OAB plus area of circle minus area of sector OCDE. So the result is 36 root 3 plus 660/7 centimeter square. Now students, question number 5, from the each corner of the square of the side 4 centimeter, quadrant of the circle of the radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also the circle of the diameter 2 centimeter is cut as so in the given figure. The find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Pi is equal to 22/7. Each quadrant is sector of 90 in the circle of 1 centimeter radius. Area of the each quadrant 90 pi r square upon 360, that is equal to 22/28 centimeter square. Area of square is equal to side square 4 square 16 centimeter square. Area of circle pi r square pi into 1 square 22/7. Area of shaded region, area of square minus area of circle minus 4 into area of quadrant 16 minus 22/7 minus 4 into 22/28, that is a 68/7 centimeter square. Question number 6. In a circular table cover of the radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving the equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the given figure. Find the area of the design shaded region. Pi is equal to 22/7. Here is the radius R 32 centimeter. AD is a median ABC. AO 2/3 AD equal to 32. AD equal to 48 centimeter in triangle ABD. AB square plus BD AD square plus BD square. Substituting value and get AB equal to 32 root 3. Area of equilateral triangle ABC root 3 upon 4, 32 root 3 का square, so 768 root 3 centimeter square. Area of circle pi r square, that is equal to 22,528/7 centimeter square. Area of design of the circular area of circle minus area of a triangle ABC, 22,528 upon 7 minus 768 under root 3 centimeter square. Question number 7. In the given figure, ABCDJ square is side 14 centimeter with center A, B, C and D. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touches the externally two of the remaining three circles. Find the area of the sided region. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Area of the four sections are equal each other and sector is 90 degree. In the circles of the 7 centimeter radius, area of sector equal to 90 pi r square upon 360, 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Area of square ABCD is equal to side square 14 square 196. Area of shaded portion, area of square ABCD minus 4 into area of each sector, and 196 minus 4 into 77 upon 2, 42 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the shaded portion is 42 centimeter square. Question number 8. The given figure depict the racing track whose left and the right angle ends at semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel lines segment in the 6 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along the inner edge. The area of the track is pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So students, distance around the track along the inner edge AB plus arc BEC plus CD plus arc DFA 106 plus 1 by 2 2 pi r plus 106 plus 1 by 2 2 pi r equal to 30. So the solve 2804 upon 7 meter. Area of the track equal to area of the GHIJ minus area of ABCD plus area of semicircle HKI plus area of semicircle BEC plus area of semicircle GLJ and area of semicircle AFD. Substituting all the value, get 4320 meter square. Therefore the area of the track is equal to 4320 meter square. Question number 9. In the given figure, AB and CD are the two diameters of a circle perpendicular to each other and OD is the diameter of a smaller circle. OA is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi equal to 22 upon 7. R1 7 centimeter. R2 7 by 2 centimeter. Area of smaller circle pi R1 square 77 upon 2. Area of semicircle AECFB of the larger circle 1 by 2 pi R square. There is 77 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 into AB into OC is equal to 49 centimeter square. Area of shaded region, area of smaller circle plus area of semicircle AECFB minus area of triangle ABC 77 upon 2 plus 77 minus 49, that is a 66.5. Question number 10. The area of the equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex, the triangles as the center of the circle is drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. See the given figure. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi 3.14, root 3 1.73205. Let the side of equilateral triangle be A. Area of equilateral triangle 17320.5 centimeters square. Root 3 upon 4 into side square is equal to this. The A is equal to 200. Area of the sector ADEF 60 pi r square upon 360 and r equal to 100, get 15,700 upon 3 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region, area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of each sector 17320.5 minus 3 into 15700 upon 3, get 1620.5 centimeter square. Now students, question number 11. On the square handkerchief, 9 circular design, each radius 7 centimeter are made. See the given figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Pi is equal to 2 upon 7. From the figure, it can be observed that side of the square is 42 centimeter. The area is 1764 centimeter square. Area of each circle is equal to pi r square. Radius 7, that 154 centimeter square. Area of 9 circle, 9 into 154, 1386 centimeter square. Area of remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to 1764 minus 1386 equal to 378 centimeter square. Question number 12. In figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of the circle with center O, radius 3.5 centimeter, OD equal to 2 centimeter. Find the area of OACB shaded region. Since OACB is a quadrant, it will be subtended 90 degree angle at O. Area of quadrant OACB 90 pi r square upon 360, that is equal to पाई की वैल्यू आपने 22/7, रेडियस 3.5, सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग गेट 77/8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. And second area of the OBD 1/2 OB into OD 3.5 into 2 get 7/2 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant OACB minus area of OBD get 49/8 centimeter square. Now students, question number 13, in the given figure the square OABC is inscribed in the quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20, find the area of the shaded region pi 3.14. Triangle OAB, Pythagoras applying, get OB equal to 20 root 2. Radius R of circle is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Area of quadrant equal to 90 pi r square upon 360. Get 628 centimeter square. Area of OABC equal to side square 20 square 400 centimeter square. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of OABC 628 minus 400 228 centimeter square. 14. AB and CD are respectively arc of the two concentric circle of the radii 21 centimeter, 7 centimeter and center O. See in the given figure. AOB is equal to 30. Find the area of the shaded region. Pi is equal to 2/7. Area of shaded region is area of sector OAEB minus area of sector OCFD. Here is the theta is equal to 30. R is equal to 21. R2 is equal to 7. Substituting all value, get 308/3. So question 15, in the given figure ABC is the quadrant of the circle of the radius 14 centimeter and semicircle is drawn with BC of diameter. Find the area of the shaded region using pi equal to 2/7. As ABC in the quadrant of the circle, BAC will be the measure 90-degree triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem. BC equal to 14 root 2. Radius R1 of semicircle is equal to 14 root 2/2, 7 root 2 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC 1/2 base into height 98 centimeter square. Area of sector ABDC 90 pi r square upon 360 154 centimeter square. Area of semicircle drawn BC equal to 1/2 pi r1 square, that r equal to 7 root 2 using 154 centimeter square. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of sector ABDC minus area of ABC. 154 minus 154 minus 98 get 98. Question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in the given figure common between the two quadrant of the circles of radius 8 centimeter each using pi equal to 22/7. The designed area in the common region between the two sector BAEC and DAFC. Area of sector BAEC equal to 90 upon 360 into pi 22/7 into R8 square. Get is equal 352/7 centimeter square. Area of triangle BAC 1/2 BA into BC, that is 32 centimeter square. Area of design portion is 2 into area of the segment AEC equal to 2 into area of sector BAEC minus area of BAC, that is equal to 256/7. तो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद स्टूडेंट्स. तो थैंक यू, और आप अपने घर पर मन लगा करके पढ़ाई करें. इसी प्रकार से हमारे इस वीडियो को देखते रहें. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. बी